आज का सुबह का सच, and I'm going to talk about today the color psychology for a brand or business, which will help you for your brand and business as well. Now, color psychology determines a lot of your mindset towards a brand or a business. If you're a fashion brand focusing on youth or a health brand trying to gain trust from the customers, all you need as a first step is to determine a color of your brand, which will be used in logo or the post. Now, these colors determine the purchase of the customer, or does it impact the purchase of you, which you do day by day, or is it making you click a post or see the post because of the color? The short answer to all these questions is yes. Color makes an important factor for a customer to come to you, even if the color of your product is in the hoarding. The color determines the impression of your brand and what you're going to or what you're trying to sell to the customer. I'm going to go one by one on the color and the meaning of those colors and the brand which is related to those colors so that you can identify. So let's go. So the first color is yellow. Yellow means optimism and warmth. So you can see brands like Nikon or Subway using these colors in their logo and as well as in their hoardings, posters, or in their shops when you go to eat. Now, subconscious mind is registering the color and it is relating to the brand that this brand has a lot of optimism and warmth, and it will make you feel that when you're visiting their stores to eat or when you're buying a camera in their stores, they use a lot of yellow color to show the optimism and warmth. The second color is orange, my favorite, which is very cheerful, and you can see that in a lot of kids product or even kids channel like Nickelodeon, or you can see in products like Crush, or even to an extent of any other toy shops which target market is kids. They use a lot of orange color in their product, and they try to attract the kids by using those colors in their brand and business. The color red means youthful and bold. So it targets the teen or youth with these brands. So you can see a lot of colors, brands like Kellogg's or brands like Coca-Cola, even to a TV channel CNN, using these kind of colors in their brand, and you can clearly see what they're trying to do or what they're trying to say is that their brand implicates the boldness towards the brand indicates the youth audience, and it wants their target audience to be youth. So they use a lot of this red color in their right from the logo to all the advertisements. Even if they do, you will see a plain background white with red color symbolically saying that we are a product of youth, and we are bold, and we have that kind of trust from your side to give you that product which you want. The violets indicates the creativity, and it is wise, so that you can see the brands like Hallmark or the brands like Yahoo using these colors previously, and it indicates a lot of creativity through their brand. They want to symbolically mention that brand is all about creative, and they are giving products which are related to creative. So they use these lot of violet color in their brand, and it implicates the creativity. Now, this is the common color which anybody who doesn't know what color to use in India, especially, they use this color. This color is blue. The blue indicates the trust. Trust is something which everybody wants to gain. So India में जिनको भी कुछ अगर नहीं आता है color, you will see the visiting card also all saying or using the color blue. And famous brands like Dell, HP, any brand which wants to gain your trust and confidence, they use the color blue in their brand and in their social media post or in their communications, so that you can have the trust in that brand. Now this color you can see related to a lot of health product, because it is symbolically used in all the health product. It wants to give you the message of peace and health. So green color, if you see, is across used in all health related products. It is used across all the health related products, or a product which wants to give you the symbolic message of growth. So Spotify, which is a podcast, uses this color. If you see Nature Light, it uses the color of green. Any health product you say, 99% they would try to mix the color of green in their brand, so that you get a message of growth and health towards this color. The last but not the least color I would say is gray. Now symbolically it gives you a message of calm, it gives you the message of balance. So a lot of unique brands, like including Apple, uses this color in their product to give you the message of not being a mass but a class audience for their product, and they cannot, or they don't go to the mass market of being loud. They are very subtle, they are very calm, they don't use many multicolors, they use only one single color, which symbolically says that their brand is something which is very calm, very calm and very balanced brand. So they use a lot of this gray color in their brands. Now I can go on and on with multiple different colors also. Sometimes the mix of colors is also there like navy blue and all. But I wanted to say maximum of these colors are common colors which are used in the brand, and there are mix and match of colors happening in other brands also. So I thought of mentioning these 6 colors, which will probably help you if you're making your company established, or if you want to start a company. Then color psychology is something which you have to remember, which has to be related to the brand. Don't ever forget, when you're making a logo or when you're making your company's visiting card, hoardings or nameplate, use the common color. Don't change the color of your brand from time to time, that you're using some color in the social media, some color for logo, some color for your shop hoardings. Don't do that. The colors is something which has to be uniformed across, right from your visiting cards to your hoardings which you're using. So please apply your thoughts on color psychology, and hope this video comes to a bit of help for you. And thank you so much for seeing this video. And if you want me to do some videos more on such topics, please write to me on comment section, and I will make sure that I will do some video on that topic. Have a nice day.